Getting a jump start on your summer crops can be key for winter squash and summer squash. What we have found through experimental process is we take a bed, we prep the soil, and about 30 days before we'd actually be able to plant without concern our summer and winter squash, we can do it 30 days earlier by utilizing coffee cans, whether cardboard or metal. We take and cut the top lid off and put a clear plastic piece of plastic over top of it. We plant our seed, and then we nestle the coffee pot over top of the seeds in which we're growing. By the time the regular right time to plant outside occurs, the plants have already become established inside, and about a week before we actually remove the top, we crack it a little bit to let it vent. These create a very nice greenhouse, and we can leave the containers on all season long. The cardboard will break down and collapse, the metal will not, and we've also found this kind of helps inhibit the squash vine borer from getting into the base of the plant and doing its damage. Not guaranteed, but we have seen some beneficial effects by doing it.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.